That's another day, and it's time to get. Why is the stream broken? God damn it. Please stop being broken. What is this one supposed to be? Just OBS. Okay. Alright, okay. Let's add blocking. Yeah. First thing I need to think about is where's the blocking logic going to be handled? Is it going to be on the hitbox? Should the attack hitbox have the information regarding whether or not the block happens? I don't know. Could be a block manager component. The first thing, though, is I want a variable for is blocking in entity base, not this one. Is blocking. This by default. And I'm gonna give the player a quick function for it. Actually, I'm gonna just make it an export variable. So it's just gonna be there so that we can know whether or not we're blocking, and if we need to change that. Why is it capitalized here? Okay, so we have a boolean for if they are or are not blocking. And this I'm going to set it to on because I want to. And the testing, we have our entity that falls. So what's going to happen? Where should everything happen? Let's think about some blocking types. So first off, there's standing and crouching block. Those exist. It also requires the attacks to have high or low or medium status as well. Might add that to the attack data resource because we're thinking about it. And it's probably going to be relevant. be probably this actually. Yeah, let's go with this. Something like this. Another enumeration. Can't be the same type, so it's underscore type. Error for -1. Error. So we've got overhead slash and for one. We've got id. So we got low. Currently they're not doing anything, so I don't think it's going to be causing any errors. In addition to this existing, I should probably have the push error. That's done in the hitbox. Yeah, copy this, paste. No, look at the paste separately, not on top of itself. Change it to attack data dot hit type. And then we just put hit type here. It's not assigned. What the hell am I saying here? Stun type not assigned, damage not assigned, knockback not assigned, stun duration not assigned, hit type not assigned. That would make more sense. Alright, so those exist now. But let's just do basic blocking. Block types. So there's high, medium, and low block types. In minigames, airborne state, you can't block low. What I would like is a block button, which we'll implement later. We want block in first. So if the player is pressing and holding the block button, they're blocking. Then I would want, I want that as a different node for blocking. Let's add it as a different node. Folder, new child node, node, create, check manager, this here. Block, attach script, call it block component, right? Application named. There's name whatever they are. Okay. Attach script, block, and we have a capital most of the time. Behavior based probably. That's gonna piss me off. Instantaneous thing, process thing. So we probably don't need an instantaneous thing. We need something that's just um, for the player at least. If actually, what would an entity do with the blocking state that would be different than the player? It would block an attack, move based on attack data, maybe take chip damage. It would be stunned as well. I think it's only a Boolean really that's needed. I don't need this. Yeah. Okay. Close, discard. I think it's saved somewhere, which is a problem that annoys me. Yep. Alright. So we have our Boolean for blocking. Let's go to the attack data. Let's put a comment here that chip is a percent of reviewer. Should the knockback distance vector be different? In Street Fighter, I think it's a little bit more. I definitely see it on like some specific attacks where it's like way more. But for like jab, 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 you can sometimes get 4 with JP. At least I know with JP for certain. I don't know if anyone else can get 4 jabs. But on block, right up in front of their face, you can get jab, jab, jab as well. I'm not sure. What should be sure though is stun duration, and so let me go block stun duration. This is going to cause a few errors. Hit stun duration. I'm gonna call this block back. Actually, no. Hit back distance vector and block back distance. And I'm gonna make this one an X component only. So just an int. Pull the icon, please. Alright, so hit back, block stun, hit stun. Damage is the same, but it's ordering. Didn't save the copy. My turn. Block stun, block back, hit stun, hit back. Damage, default knockback when facing right. probably be like this as well. I don't really use this, but yeah, it's there. I might not need this at all. I'll leave it here because I placed it, but I might not need it. Really, really not. Use. Okay. Stun type, damage, hit back, stun, stun type, damage, knockback, stun, and stun it, block, and block ends, block, back. Okay. Uh, I don't like things right now as they are, so I'm going to go like this. Oops. I'm going to copy all of this, go to artificial intelligence, ask it to put an email login, and delete that, I think. So what is this about? This is 2 questions, so just delete. Alright. Do more with artifacts. What the heck is this? Not now, I don't care. Control V. I need this Godot code reordered and fix for the variables using the next message. Send. Right, and then the attack data resource. Make it in the same order and fix all attack underscore data dot variable dot variable name. Stun type, stun, block back, hit stun, hit back, damage. Reorder it to match. Yes, right. Stun type, hit type, block stun, block back, hit stun, hit type, okay. Alright, control A, C. I don't want to go through the filtering of that, and this is messy. Okay. All of those need to be indented, of course, that's just wonderful. Indent, indent, to there. Fix that. Alright, that should be fine. That's fine. I have 72 errors, which are mostly hit type, the renaming, yeah, okay. So, like, everything's been reset, I think. Okay, cool. That's cool. That's fine. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Okay. So that's set up. Should I set them as warnings so I don't? No, I'm gonna put them as errors. Get them as errors. All right. Next thing, blocking. Where is get hurt? Area.got hurt. What determines if it's blocked or not? wasted. I'm just gonna call it blocked. Okay, so hitbox, hurtbox, don't hurt. So this is hurtbox. This is hitbox. First off, let's do the simple if they are or are not blocking. Comma. What do we have access to? Attack manager. Okay. Area. We've got the area, which has what? Area.health.host. Yeah, that's no reason. Dot is blocking. Okay, so now this should do some damage. That is blocked. Did I enable it? Yes, I enabled it. Alright, disable it. Go back to the 2D. The running 2D. Save. Save. Go back here. Dies. Because that's not what it's called anymore. It's done. Duration. Duh, I don't have a block stun. Okay. There should be a block stun regardless. This is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the same in the attack thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep. So, let me go with block as like 30. Just to not cause myself a problem. Stun manager, comma, block, block, equals 40. Did I do that? That's fine. Alright. Never mind. Okay, run it again. Hurt something. Where do we crash here? Knockback. Hit. Back. This vector. I think. Hit again. Oh, do we have something? It's going up because it's -1, which makes sense because the default number is -1. Right. So if it's blocking and we hit them, that's something. Whatever it is. What are my attacks? Kick, punch, other kick, or you want to use this like back heavy kick or back light kick? What is it? Back? Back what? Back light kick. Yeah. That's punch. And then what I use is the projectile, which I have set to a really low number. Yeah, there's a other thing. I should print the attack name here. What is that even supposed to be? What type is this? Static body. Okay. Okay. Back to blocking. Back to blocking. Focus. So it's blocking. And well, if it's blocking, then that makes sense. I guess in the attack, no, the stun manager. Let's simply just copy this. Go with block. Start stunning out. I have a statement here. If blocked. Or do we set? At least set current type and just use that. So first off, I was stupid. Should just use current type equals attack dot stun type, but only if it's not blocked. If blocked, current type equals stun type dot block. Else current type equals stun type. And then these lines in the start. So we have block stun made. We need to finish the hitbox. Here it's just in the got hurt function if it was blocked or not. God damn it. Did I need to make a boolean for it? No, probably not. Maybe. False. Okay. Stun manager block. I want block. Stun. Block. Back. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Something's blocked. I hit this sometimes doesn't move. No. Okay. Let me. I've been using light kick for the most part because light kick is basic. Uh, Go to this thing. Open hitbox number 1. Block stun duration 20. Block back distance, let's go with 1,000. Hit stun, let's go with 1,000. Let's, that's duration, so let's go with 40 here. Hopefully that's noticeable. Actually, let's go with 100 second frames. Hit back distance. 1000. Walk back. 300. Hit type. That doesn't matter yet. Basic. Yeah. Damage. 100. Control S. Right. Are these the same? Yes. Yes. Yes, they are? Question mark? Yeah. Max distance 1000. Alright. It's not doing anything. Okay. Um, I don't think I have the stun defined for continuing forward walking. Is it the same code? It's not dealing damage, which is good. It's saying it was blocked. We hit something technically still. Alright, go to Virtual Player. Turn this off. Run it again. Way further, but less. Really slow. Like 100 frames is too many frames for that short of a distance. What the hell is that? Hit back? 5000. That feels more like it. Let me take this off. I don't think the difference is that much in most fighting games. Like, it's not always that much. It's like maybe, I don't know, 20 and 30. You know. Blocking, not blocking. Yeah, this -1 thing is just shut there because not being that yet. Anyways, so let's say and call that blocking. Weird. Thinking about blocking is the same. What's the difference though? When is it different? So in the stun, it's using the exact same, but like these values. So for starting it, it's not really different. For continuing it, it's absolutely the exact same. So I will combine these. And then what else is there? I believe it's just the the hurt box tells us if it was blocked. The hit box tells us nothing, except if the player or the entity is blocking, because we can just get that. The variable here. You call it 3 times. Might as well just do that. Okay. Not sure if there's anything else left to do for basic blocking. Um, Technically, they can block in the air. It's not like it's gonna happen, but it still technically can happen. Let me test blocking. That's it. So let me change that. Noise on top. Vertical player, turn on blocking. Let's enable frame by frame mode. Button. Okay. Press the button. Press and hold the button. comes out, it hits something, stop, one, go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is done, so we can attack again. One frame, hits, and then let's see if it's the block stun or the hit stun. The hit stun. So if they stop blocking, it does hit them with the hit stun. However, they should be intangible while they're stunned in some ways. I don't know. We'll see at some point. Save, close, and then close stream. Bye.